Hi guys, today we did some outside cross steps. We did some neck rolls for the lead, neck rolls for the follows. We got some to go.
Sure did.
Just kidding. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we do a turn. Let me show you this way. Turn, prepping. As you turn, make sure this hand goes to the shoulder blade. Right here. And then go with them all the way. You at least it's your job to go all fully. So if I do this, 5, 7, you have no freedom to tap because I didn't stop you.
You did.
You have freedom to tap. So I'm gonna do it again. I won't stop you.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, and then just another move. But this move requires for you to go all the way. There's no tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going with her. I'm not tapping, I'm just pointing. So my weight's on my right, your weight's on your
Left.
And I transfer weight from the right to the left. Down, I go to the left, sideways, to the right, lifting, and transferring weight fully. Yes? So, I'll do it again. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, my height itches. 7, 8. See 7, 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 3. What's next?
The beginning.
Oh, the beginning. So I went right into it. I'm like, what happens next? Okay, so this is the beginning. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep rotating. 7, 8. 1, 2. Put the hand behind your neck. 5, 6. The beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stay like this. 1, 2, open break. 3, 4. Bring the follow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4. With counts only? Yes.
Good.
Thank you, Maya. Counts only.
5, 6,
7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5,
6,
7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Square up. 5,
6,
7, 8. 1, 3,
4,
5,
6,
7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1,
2,
3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes.